Every man wants to stay younger, not just look younger, but feel younger. To wake up with energy, move with strength, and think with clarity, no matter the number written on his ID card. But here's the truth. You don't need magic pills, expensive supplements, or exotic treatments to slow aging. You just need to understand how your body's internal clock works and how 3 simple things can turn back its ticking hands. The combination of omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, and regular exercise isn't just healthy advice. It's one of the most powerful, scientifically proven ways to slow down your biological clock, the real measure of how old your body truly is. So, what exactly is your biological clock? Unlike your age on paper, your biological age measures how fast your cells, tissues, and organs are aging. It depends on how much inflammation, oxidative stress, and DNA damage your body has accumulated over time. The exciting part? Science now shows you can actually slow and even partially reverse this process. That's where this powerful trio comes in: omega-3, vitamin D, and exercise. Together, they don't just protect your heart or bones, they communicate with your DNA to literally extend the lifespan of your cells. Let's start with the first superhero, omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats, mainly found in fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel, play a crucial role in reducing inflammation, one of the biggest causes of aging. Inflammation is your body's natural response to damage, but chronic inflammation is like a fire that never goes out. It silently damages your arteries, your brain, your joints, and even your skin. Omega-3 seconds, particularly EPA and DHA, act like firefighters. They enter the cell membranes and cool down inflammation at its source. In a landmark study published in the journal Brain, Behavior and Immunity, researchers found that men with higher omega-3 levels had slower biological aging. Their cells were literally younger than their chronological age. Omega-3 seconds also protect the telomeres, those tiny protective caps on the ends of your DNA strands. Every time a cell divides, telomeres shorten, and when they get too short, your cells can no longer replicate, leading to aging. Omega-3 helps preserve telomere length, effectively keeping your cells younger for longer. Now, let's bring in vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin. Most men think of it as something for bone health, but its role goes far beyond that. Vitamin D works at the genetic level, influencing over 2,000 genes related to immune function, inflammation, and cell growth. When your vitamin D levels are low, which is incredibly common, especially in men who work indoors, your body starts aging faster from within. Your immune system weakens, your testosterone drops, and your mood becomes unstable. But when vitamin D is optimized, it acts like a master switch for rejuvenation. Studies have shown that men with adequate vitamin D levels have longer telomeres, higher energy, and better metabolic health. It's no coincidence that men who spend more time outdoors, getting natural sunlight, tend to feel more vibrant and age slower. In one study from the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism, researchers discovered that maintaining healthy vitamin D levels could reduce biological aging by up to 5 years. And then comes the third and most powerful component of this trio: exercise. Not the kind that punishes your body, but the kind that activates it. Physical activity, especially a combination of strength training and cardio, does something incredible inside your cells. It boosts the production of mitochondria, the power plants of your body. These tiny organelles convert nutrients into energy and regulate how efficiently your cells function. The more active and healthy your mitochondria are, the slower your biological clock ticks. Exercise also triggers the release of myokines, special proteins produced by muscles during movement. These molecules act as anti-inflammatory agents, signaling your brain and immune system to rejuvenate rather than degrade. Think of exercise as an internal youth serum. Every time you move, your body produces natural chemicals that keep your systems young and resilient. But here's where things get truly fascinating. When you combine these 3, omega-3, vitamin D, and exercise, the effects don't just add up, they multiply. Scientists call this a synergistic effect, meaning each element enhances the power of the others. Omega-3 improves the flexibility of your cell membranes, allowing vitamin D receptors to work more efficiently. Meanwhile, exercise boosts blood circulation, ensuring both nutrients reach every corner of your body. Together, they optimize hormonal balance, reduce oxidative stress, and keep your DNA stable. In one 2022 study published in Nature Aging, researchers followed over 2,000 adults for 10 years. They found that participants who maintained optimal omega-3 levels, consistent vitamin D intake, and regular physical activity had up to 35% slower biological aging rates compared to those who lacked one or more of these elements. These individuals had sharper minds, stronger hearts, and lower inflammation markers even in their late 50 seconds and 60 seconds. Let's look deeper at how this combination impacts hormonal health, particularly testosterone, the key driver of male vitality. Omega-3 helps improve testicular function and increases luteinizing hormone sensitivity, which signals your body to produce more testosterone naturally. Vitamin D, on the other hand, enhances testosterone receptor activity. When combined with regular strength training, it creates the perfect internal environment for sustained hormonal balance. So, instead of chasing artificial boosters, you're empowering your body to perform as nature intended. The trio also plays a major role in brain health, an area where aging is often most noticeable. DHA, the primary omega-3 fat in your brain, maintains neuron structure and communication. Vitamin D protects brain cells from oxidative stress, while exercise boosts BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a molecule that promotes neuroplasticity, your brain's ability to grow new connections. This means clearer thinking, sharper memory, and a reduced risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. And let's not forget the heart, the ultimate reflection of your biological age. Omega-3 lowers triglycerides and keeps arteries flexible. Vitamin D reduces calcium buildup in arteries, and regular exercise strengthens your heart muscle. The result is a cardiovascular system that functions like that of a man 10 years younger. It's no wonder cardiologists refer to this trio as the longevity triangle. You might be thinking, what's the ideal way to incorporate this into your daily life? Let's simplify it. Start with diet. Include at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week, such as salmon, sardines, or mackerel. If that's not possible, consider a high-quality fish oil supplement that provides at least 1,000 milligrams of combined EPA and DHA daily. For vitamin D, the best source is sunlight. 20 minutes of early morning or late afternoon exposure on your skin can do wonders. But if you live in a place with limited sunlight, taking 2,000–4,000 IU of vitamin D3 daily after consulting your doctor can maintain optimal levels. Then, commit to regular movement. You don't have to spend hours in the gym. Consistency matters more than intensity. A balanced routine of 30 minutes of exercise, 5 days a week, combining resistance training and cardio, can completely transform your cellular health. Add a simple daily habit like walking outdoors to blend all 3: sunlight for vitamin D, movement for exercise, and improved circulation for omega-3 absorption. Within weeks, you'll notice more than just improved energy or better skin. You'll feel lighter, more alert, and more focused. Your recovery after workouts will improve, and even your mood will feel more stable. These are the signs that your biological clock is slowing down, your body's internal systems are syncing in perfect harmony again. In short, staying young isn't about defying time, it's about mastering it. When you feed your cells with the right fats, nourish your body with the right vitamin, and move your muscles with purpose, you're sending a message to your DNA: stay young, stay strong. The combination of omega-3, vitamin D, and exercise is nature's ultimate anti-aging formula, backed by science, powered by biology, and available to every man who's ready to take control of his future. Because real youth doesn't come from what you apply on the outside, it comes from what you build on the inside.